Hey, this is Danielle. Welcome to today's video where I'm going to be talking about SMH and the breakout that I'm seeing here. The semiconductors definitely had a pretty swift pullback this summer. However, they've recovered really well. We have an inverse head and shoulders pattern here. We have a bit of a V-shaped bottom as well. And now we've broken out above this 50 simple on the daily chart. That's one of my favorite breakout spots because it's such a critical area of resistance, and generally when you break there you can keep going. Additionally, we have this daily squeeze, we have positive volume, and then if you look at the weekly chart, this weekly chart is just very bullish, looks pretty clean up into 700, then 717, 775, so I think we have some pretty decent upside potential there. And so I wanted to talk about a couple of these different semiconductor stocks. AMD certainly has a phenomenal pattern here. Looking at the lower time frame charts, and the main thing that I was noticing today is it was breaking out again up above the 50 simple. So it wasn't 100% perfect. It could have been a little bit stronger. We did break through it to the downside as well, and the volume kind of dropped off at the end of the day here. But overall, still has a daily squeeze, still has a break higher, and I think that we're going to continue to see some follow through as long as this stays up above the $500 strike price. So take a look at the stock, monitor this $500 strike price. If it stays above that zone, bounces and keeps going, that's where I would expect higher prices back up into 550 and then 585. So if you want to join us in the trading room, that is where I will be trading it. You can find me in the Mastering the Trade room. And I also believe I'm going to be covering this on Charles Payne tomorrow. So take a look at that, but check the link below and I'll see you there. Bye.
Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.